Dita ebequar, resaldi Shornak, de perinja ebecoi diten, state de sentiteroi ate, sepsenete, nete, aikiste, pusuar ngate gita, beprat tits, ke perinja krijoi de beri, Elohim, Vijala hebraike per perendine este Elohim, kunane vijalen hebraike este milakto. Bara, krijuarne vijalen hebraike este bara. Laasot, realisohet ne vijalen hebraike este laasot. Waibarek Elohim, de perenja bekoi, et yom hasibii, diten estate. Paikades oto. Di sengiteroi ate. Kibos sabat mikal milakto. Sepsenete nete aikiste. Pusuar ngate. Gicheta beprat etich. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Ke perinja krijoi deberi. Waibarek Elohim. Et yom hasibii. Waikades oto. Kibos sabat mikal milakto. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Waibarek Elohim et yom hasbii. Waikades oto. Kibo sabat mikal milakto. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Waibarek Elohim et yom hasbii. Waikades oto. Kibo sabat mikal milakto. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Elohimi iste bikwar diten estate per tubere enci dite usimi perne dikimi este se ne kemi enci dite per te primare forsen ne se ponodsmi state dite atihere ne abusodsmi metropin toni ne behemi stress ti lete per te vidikor Elohim nuk bekoi diten pare derine detin gijaste por vendosi gijaste dite perte punuar sume perte jetuar nesen endris odsmi kohen posimet ngadita state deri ne diten pare kemi umbor bikemi iditesse state de duke kendroar ne diten pare popet poste diten posimet te Elohimet. De perinja bekoi diten state de sengiteroi ate sepsenete nete aikiste usuar ngate gichita veprati titske perinja vichoi de beri. Waibarek Elohim et yom hasibii. Waikades oto kibo shabat mikal milakto. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Waibarek Elohim et yom hasibii. Waikades oto kibo shabat mikal milakto. Aser bara Elohim la asot. Palimenderit ge sikwat. Elohim jo bikopte. Dita bekwar sali shonak.
Oh, the marketplace is empty. No more traffic in the streets. All the builders' tools are silent. No more time to harvest wheat. Busy housewives cease their labors in the courtroom. No debate. Work on earth is all suspended as the King comes through the gate. Oh, the King is coming. The King is coming. I just heard the trumpet sounding, and now His face I see. Oh, the King is coming. The King is coming. Praise God. He's coming for me. cars are empty as they rattle down the tracks. In the newsroom, no one watches as machines type pointless facts. All the planes veer off their courses. No one sits at the controls. For the King of all the ages comes to claim eternal souls.
Happy faces line the hallways, those whose lives have been redeemed, broken homes that he has mended, those from prison he has freed, little children and the aged, hand in hand stand all aglow, who were crippled, broken, ruined. Now they're clad in garments white as snow.
I can hear the chariots rumble. I can see the marching throng. The flurry of God's trumpets spell the end of sin and wrong. Regal robes are now unfolding. Heaven's crown stands all in place. Heaven's choir is now assembled. Start to sing amazing grace. Oh, the King is coming. The King is coming. I just heard the trumpet sounding, and now his face I see.